is the color that lies within. Nothing between you and I. Still you right there under my skin. I've been waiting, I've been waiting. There's no fault lines to crack and leave me aching. Thinking on a fallout, it leaves me numb, but it's something that might never come. So I'll be waiting here in your arms. There was a silence deep inside, held on a wish and gone with the wind. A whisper, just give me a sign, 'cause I'm right here beyond everything. I've been waiting, I've been waiting. There's no fault lines to crack and leave me aching. Thinking on the fallout, it leaves me numb, but it's something that might never come. So I'll be waiting here in your arms. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting.
Bobby for a minute, turned to Tony Bennett. Said, love, I think I know that they do. She was asking me how, as I twirled around, I said, Christmas brought me you. And there is snow in the forecast. We're staying in, so that's alright. Watch the flakes start to come down across the road under the street light. And I think about heaven, how it must be just like this, with everybody in love and everybody in this. My little daughter came running up and sat on my knee. She said, Dad, I got a question for you. I said, what's on your mind? She said, I am not sure if Christmas